Hello and welcome to the Chemical Center. Today I will show you how to calibrate diffusion reflectometer machine. So this is measure hack. This is our standard tile which reading 85.7 and this is our sample tile. Now we took measuring hack into a standard tile and the machine is due reading. The reading is due by 80. Now we will calibrate. So for calibration we will take on cal button. It takes few seconds. Now reading has come 79.1. Now we will tap on upper button and calibrate it to 85.7. Now we will again tap on cal button. Now the machine is calibrated and now we will check on our sample. The sample reading is come 91.5 and our machine is ready. So thank you.